Hi there, students. A shindig, a noun. A shindig can be one of two things. It can either be a big party or it can be an argument. You can use it in both ways. So a shindig, a social gathering with dancing, a large or lavish party. So I'm going to a shindig at the town hall this weekend. My neighbours are having a shindig, and I've been invited, so I'm going to have a really good time. Don't get too drunk at that shindig you're going to. Yeah. So a party. Yeah. Then also you can use shindig to mean a loud argument. Yeah, and here maybe we could change slightly the definition of shindig is a noisy event, a noisy situation, but especially a large energetic party or celebration. So a noisy argument certainly defines that. When it came to paying the bill, there was a shindig about who was going to pay. Yeah, there was an argument. There was a bit of a shindig when I tried to take the trousers that I'd bought back. They said that I hadn't bought them there, that these weren't something that they sold, and there was really quite a shindig. So the noisy bit works in both ways, but either a noisy party, noisy festivities, or a noisy argument. Now, we actually have another word, a shindy. Yeah, and a shindy, to me, very definitely, is a noisy argument, an uproar. But I guess again, a shindy could also be a party as well. But there was a shindy about the payment. There was a ballyhoo. There was much an ado, a disturbance about it, a hullabaloo. Yeah. Okay, so a shindig. Either a party, and I think a party is the most common use, but also a big argument about something. Yeah. So, are you going to have a shindig this weekend? Yeah, a shindig. Okay, but then also you've got this word shindy. And what about the origin of a shindig? Well, they say there's a synteag, a Scots Gaelic word meaning to leap or to jump. So maybe that's the origin. And then as to formality, a shindig. This is an informal word. I think I'd probably give it a 3.5 or a 4 in formality. Yeah. You could definitely use this word down the pub. We had a great shindig down the pub last night. But don't use it in a more formal, semi-formal or formal writing. Yeah, a party, an argument, something like that. Okay, so shindig. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A shindig.